Teespring tutorial: How to make money with Teespring for beginners 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make money with Teespring. So first of all, let me tell you and give you some information about Teespring. So Teespring, now rebranded as Spring, is a free print-on-demand platform that lets you design and sell custom merchandise without inventory. You create the design, set the price, and Spring handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You can earn profit on every sale. Today, I'll show you how to set up a store, upload designs, and start making money step by step. So, first of all, you have to come to Google Chrome or any browser you're using and go to teespring.com. So after searching, you can see there are multiple web links here. You have to click on the teespring.com, and after clicking on that, it will take you to the website. And now you have to click on start creating to sign up, and you can also log in if you already have an account. So I'll give my name and email and create a strong password and click on I'm on not a robot, and I'll select the images for verification and click on sign up. And after that, once uh, clicking it, and it says enter your desired store URL. Think wisely, it's permanent. Let's say my March will be code grave, and continue. And now we are in the website, and on the dashboard we have successfully landed on the dashboard. Here we can create products, view sales analytics, set up our storefront, connect social media platforms, and let's click on start designing to get started. So for that, you have to click on start designing products. It's simple. Let's just click on create, and after that, Teespring offers dozens of product types like as you can see, t-shirts and hoodies, mugs, tote bag, stickers, phone cases, pillows, and even digital files. So for beginners, we should start with a basic unisex t-shirt since it's the best seller. So you will click on the product, and after that uh, then click sell this to begin designing. Okay, uh, we have come to the designing site, and now it's time to add your design. So we can design it right here, or you can just upload a design from Canva or Photoshoot, or use the text tool in Spring to type a quote or slogan, like add text, and we can type quote with, and after clicking on that, we have to click on here and select code grave, and after selecting it, we'll just delete this one and delete this one, and again delete this one, code grave. We can just zoom it and make it strong, longer, and we can also change the t-shirt colors from here. Let's go with the white or black one. We'll just deselect, so we can go with black or white one. We can also go with ash and white one, and we have to use transparent PNG files for best results. and stick to simple bold designs for better conversions, and avoid copyrighted logos or brand names. Position our design in the center of the t-shirt and preview it on another other colors, as I have already shown you that. And after that, you have to set a pricing on USA or Europe based. So Teespring sets a base cost like $10 to $13 for a t-shirt. You decide the selling price, like you can do that. Your base cost is $10 and your selling price is $22. You want $12 profit per t-shirt. So it says if you set $22.99, it will make you profit of $7.09. So if you give it $10, it will show there's no profit. So if you give $30, it shows the profit is $14.10. And same like if you select 30 euro, your profit will be $11 euro and 42 cents. So you can earn 11.42 euro by this selecting this. And keep pricing competitive, especially when starting out. Around 19.99 to 24.99 works well. So we'll go with 23, no profit, 23, not 13. And for euro, we'll also go with 23 euro, 5.61 euro profit. And after that, you can create product listing. After setting your design and price, it's time to write your product title and description. So for that use keywords like funny cat shirt or something like that. So for that, you have to click on continue, and after that, you can see here you can select the styles. So I'll just choose this one, and we can continue. And for the title, we can use funny cat shirt, motivational quote tee, or anime hoodie, or we can just write it like work hoodie, and try to keep descriptions short but clear. Mention fabric, fit, and the vibe of the design. You can choose which products to sell, like t-shirt, hoodie, tank top, etc., and click continue. So let's say the description is, this is personal company t-shirt related to programming and coding industry. Okay, after that, you can just launch your storefront. You can either sell just the product page or build a custom storefront. So let's just launch listing. You can click on launch listing, and you can also build a custom storefront, like click storefronts from here, like stores. And after that, add a store name and logo and banner. And you can also arrange your products into categories like funny tees, pet lovers, or gamer gear, and customize the store URL or connect a domain if you are on the pro plan. And now that your products are live, as you can see, the product is already live. You can do free promotions, like post it on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Use your store link in your bio or link tree. You can join Facebook niche groups without spamming. You can share mockups using Canva or place it. There are also some paid methods, like you can run Facebook or TikTok ads targeting your niche. And it will take 18 to 30 based on interest. And you can try influencer shoutouts. You can also try influencer shoutouts on meme or fan pages. Focus on one or two designs at first and scale up what's selling. So after that, let me tell you about the how you can get paid. So for that, you have to go to your payout settings, like settings, and here you can see your mail and password and connected accounts, and you can set your PayPal address here. And you can also get payment through payowner setting. You can access the option once you have funds available to request to payout, and payouts usually take 7 business days after a sale is made. You'll also be able to see your order history, top selling products, and like new products, best sellers, and top selling products of yours, and conversion data on the analytics tab. Like, this is the upgrades and this is the analytics tab. Here you can see the conversion of your product. And after that, success on Teespring comes from knowing your audience. So ask yourself, what trends are they into? Do they like funny, sarcastic, aesthetic, or inspirational designs? You can use tools like Google Trends, TikTok hashtags, Etsy search suggestions, match your designs to what people are already searching for. So let me give you some bonus tips for Teespring success. You can use niche storefronts. Don't mix cat t-shirts with fitness gear. Focus on one niche to build brand trust. And you can sell digital products like Teespring. Now let's you sell PDFs like planners, ebooks, or digital art with zero production cost. And you can also upsell with bundles, create matching hoodies, mugs, and stickers for each design, promote them and bundles. And you can also build an email list. Use the email capture feature on your store to build a list and promote new launches. And you can use AI tools like use ChatGPT or Midjourney to brainstorm slogans or generate graphic ideas. And before launching more products, look at what's selling the best, that means the best sellers, and remove slow sellers. Refine your marketing copy, test different thumbnails and mockups. Stay consistent. 90% of sellers quit before finding their winning design. Stick with it, test often, and keep learning what works. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and see you on the next one.